How to send money from Tyme Bank to Capitec. Now this process is very easy and straightforward. Now before doing anything from Tyme Bank and then logged into your account, you have to double check and make sure that you're transferring the money to is fully verified and activated. So logged into your Capitec account and make sure that your Capitec is ready to be used and already verified. Now the next thing that you want to do is to go to your TymeBank application or from their official site. Now log into your account using your user ID and as well as your passcode. Now once you have fully logged in, the very first thing that you will see is bank transfer. Now just tap on bank transfer and just enter your Capitec bank details and as well as the specific amount of money on how much you'll be sending it, and then there you go. That's how you transfer or send money from TymeBank to Capitec.